Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of creating trippy art using artificial intelligence. We'll explore how to use ChatGPT, DALL, and Runway to transform images into mesmerizing video content. Let's get started. Step 1. Access ChatGPT with integrated DALL. This incredible system allows you to generate stunning images from textual descriptions. Step 2. Craft your request. Be as detailed and creative as possible. For example, you might ask for an image with vibrant colors, abstract forms, and futuristic elements. Step 3. Once you have your image, it's time to use Runway, a powerful AI tool for creative projects. Runway provides various models and tools to animate and enhance your static image. And there you have it. With some creative editing, your static image transforms into an engaging video piece. This is a simple yet impressive way to create unique trippy art using artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next videos.